Today I will be discussing about clock rule, that is important part of magnetism, and the topic solenoid, where you would be asked to find the polarity of the given solenoid. I mean the ends you have to tell whether it is north or south pole, and accordingly. So clock rule states that if the current flows in clockwise direction, this is the clockwise direction, so the pole will be south, and if it is goes anti-clockwise, then it will be north. I've taken an example. Suppose this is a solenoid, you can see this diagram. Current here is flowing in this direction, and you can see this wire. You have to see the pattern of the wire, how it is wound around this you can say insulator, this insulator. So here you can see the wire from here is going in front and then from the back, and this end the wire is coming from the back. So accordingly you have to think, you have to actually you can say visualize to know about the pole. So in order to make you understand, I've taken this example. I have with me this, and I have taken like this. So you can imagine here this as this. You can see, I'm sorry it's not being wound properly, but you will understand for sure. See here, you can compare this diagram with this. How you can see the wire is going in front, here also it is going in front, right? Wound, and see this end is coming from the back. This part, the wire is coming from the back, you can see it's coming from the back. So what you're going to do is, you have to think, if the wire is going like this, I'm going to pick this up here, I'll just take this part, right? So I'm going to pick this part, and I'm going to think that you can see the current is going from uh, here. You can see it's going from here to here, right? See, you can see like this. So it's going from here and going at the back. So current is going like this, if you can see here. I'll just take this end only. So you can see current here, and it is going at the back. So if you try to compare this, you can see going like this, going like this. So this is this kind of movement, so this pole will be north pole, and means this would be north pole. And similarly, if this is north pole, that's understood it would be south, because in solenoid both the poles cannot be generated, same poles are not generated. So you can see the pattern also, where is coming from the front, right? Okay, if by chance we change the direction of the current, right? Direction of the current means, if current, how can I change the direction? If you just interchange the polarity of these poles, like you can attach it like this, right? My negative is here, now positive is here, so current here is going to go in opposite direction, right? Means I am going to again take this part only, I'm not going to take this part, because through one pole only you can understand easily, no need to take both the poles in the exam. You can just find the polarity of one pole, and the other pole will be just the opposite of that. So here now I can see the current here is going in this direction. So now what, same thing is here. See, now I'm again taking this thing, I'm taking this end only here. Now current is coming from back, right? And it is going like this. You can see this, it's going like this. So if you just pick it up, so you can see the current is going from here to here, here to here. So this movement is actually which direction? This is your clockwise direction. So clockwise direction, what will happen? Now this pole will become south and this will become north. So that's it for today. I hope you have understood little bit, and thanks for watching.